guys, this is Madness Makeup. So, I'm going to be reviewing quite a bit of things today, and I will get into that in a second. But today, we're mainly reviewing, sorry, I already opened it. So this is RawBeautyKristi and Colourpop's collab. It's called At Forest Sight. And yeah, so let me get right into that, guys. So, today we're reviewing this palette. I already took out the protective thing because I did open it. Ugh. Sorry if I can get this open. Alright. So what's cute is Colourpop actually puts the names on the back too, but they are in the palette. And then this one doesn't have a mirror. So this is what this looks like. They're very pretty. I really like this color story because it's a lot of like dark and grungy colors. And there's some really pretty metallics in here too, like evergreen. You know, that evergreen reminds me of the Juvia's Place single eyeshadow I have. It's called Taj. I'll show you guys it when I get to my eyes, but yeah, I'm super excited to try this. Also, Let It Rain. It's like a black with like gold shimmer. Can't wait to try that one. And then I'm reviewing quite a bit of other things today. So, this is from the brand Douce. These are just samples. This is one of their lipsticks, and then this is their blush. I ordered another eyeliner because I got the Douce eyeliner in my Ipsy bag. I'm pretty sure it was in September. I don't know. Anyways, wait. I think I still have the card, so let me check. It wasn't from November. Let's see. Oh, this is August. It might have been in the October. Yes, it was in the October bag. So, yeah, they had the Douce Ultra Precision Eyeliner in black. Because when I was doing my Halloween makeup, I'm very clumsy, so it flew out of my hand. Because, you know, I'm clumsy, like I said. And I'm not coming for your brand, but I am drinking coffee in this cute little mug. So, yeah. Okay. Yeah. So I got a new one because I really liked that eyeliner. And so they actually let me pick out some sample sizes of their stuff. So I'm going to be trying those. So this is like 2 minutes long. And then we have the e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer, and this is in a matte finish. And my friend Anna also likes this. I will link her stuff down below because I'm mentioning her. Yeah, so she really enjoys this one, so I thought I would try it. I did use, like, all of these before, but I'm just gonna do a review on them. This stuff, a little goes a long way, so, yeah, it's very full coverage. And it was only $6. I bought it at Kohl's. And then I have the Bare Minerals Bare Pro, so this is their powder foundation. I got it in the shade Fair, and it's funny because I went to Ulta, and I never go to Ulta because I don't like driving over there. It's not a good place. Oh gosh. So, this is what it looks like. It does come with a mirror. And it also comes with like a powder puff, just like my next one. I'm pretty sure they're very similar colors. Yeah, so I went into Ulta, and I was like, hi, I wanted to, like, try the Bare Minerals Powder Foundation. Yes, they are a very similar color. And, the Ulta employee, or the beauty advisor, I think that's what they're called, she gave me the one where it's, like, loose, and I was like, I'm not dealing with the loose one. I'm like, I need a pressed one, like this. So, yeah, she recommended that I get, like, the fair one, and I'm like, okay, yeah, because I'm pale, and she's like, we don't say pale at Ulta, we say fair and light, and I'm like, okay. Like, that was so funny, oh my gosh. I mean, I am pale, like, I mean, I'm a ghost. Yeah, so I got the fair, and this is number 1, so hopefully it's not too light on me. I mean, I'm very light. So, yeah. That's that. And then I won't be reviewing this today, but I'm really upset because they got, like, rid of the setting spray in the white container. I really like that setting spray. So hopefully this is, like, similar to it. But I still have a bit left here. Yeah, so I'm glad I got to go to Ulta because I went Black Friday shopping with my niece and stuff. So yeah, that's all I'm going to be reviewing. I will put on the concealer when I do like my base makeup, so you won't see that. And probably also the blush, but obviously I've used it before, so I'll tell you kind of how it goes. So I will be right back. Alright guys, so I'm finally back. Alright, I just got my graduation stuff, which I'm graduating from my technical college, so that's fun and fresh. Here, let me tell you what products I used on my face today. So I used the Item Beauty Cheek Money in the shade Vibes. Looks like this. This was for my contour. It's a really nice contour for people with like light to fair skin. And then I used the Kismet Buff Sugar Lip Scrub in the flavor Bright and Bubbly. And then on top of that, I put the Incredible Jelly Shot Lip Quencher over that. You probably can just do with this because I believe it has jojoba oil in there. Well, that's how you pronounce it. And then obviously I use my Bare Minerals. Now this one was new to me, so it does remind me of the NYX one. I do like it. It's like, I think you can build it up, but I kind of like medium coverage sometimes. So that's why I used it today. And then I also, sorry, I'm like bouncing around with products. So I also used the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer, as well as their Camo Concealer. Now I made sure I was really careful with that. I did get the latest one because I like to have really bright under eyes. So if I look a little crazy, that's why. Alright. And then I do like this Douce blush. It's really pretty and really pigmented. And then I actually just used the contour, so this brown shade of the Pacifica Bronze Rose. And this is in the shade Desert. So yeah. And then for my highlight, I use the Estee Do Me in the shade Lit. I love Estee. I want to give away, well, from Ipsy technically. But it was all Estee products, so it was fun and fresh. Then I use my Pixie by Petra for my eyebrows. You can use any powder eyeshadow for your brows you want. Alright. So, I primed my eyes and we are going to get going. Oh yeah, let me show you guys that single shadow from Juvia's Place. So these are pretty similar colors. This is the shade Evergreen in the palette right here. And then this is the one called Taj. I think they are very similar colors. Kind of green with like a hint of brown, copper. At least to my eye, that's what it looks like. Alright, oh good. Oh yeah. Okay. Oh my gosh. No, I didn't mean to do that. I'm a freaking mess. Yeah, I'm also doing this video to avoid doing homework. I did a kind of reddish look in my last video. So we're gonna go with the greens and blues in here. Okay. So, I think what I'm gonna do is I am just going to put Puffball in my crease today right here. That brown shade. It's a really nice neutral brown. And I'm just going to put it there. In my lip. Very pigmented. Love Colourpop. I miss their formula. This is probably the last thing I am gonna purchase from them though, just because I personally don't like them, but I had to get this for RawBeautyKristi Beauty. Yeah, so let me blend this out. So we're just gonna take this It Cosmetics brush and we're going to blend it out. Alright. Perfect. So I think what I'm gonna do is take a Fiddlehead and we're going to pop that on our crease as well. It's like a really nice forest green. I don't think this is a good idea. But, you know, it'll be okay. We're gonna blend this out. So I'm gonna take this BH Cosmetics number 10 blending brush and blend this out then. And then I'm gonna dip back into Fiddlehead and we're going to layer all over that brown. Alright, let's save it. We're gonna put Evergreen on, so I'm just gonna take my finger. Alright, and I'm going to put this all over here. Okay. That is what the shade looks like swatched. It's really pretty. Okay, so then what I'm gonna do is I'm going to, we're gonna take this brush. This is like a packing brush. And I'm just gonna dip into Emerald City. And I'm going to put that, ooh, wow, that's beautiful. Okay. Perfect. Alright. So, then I'm gonna, we're gonna take this boot brush, and we're gonna blend this out a bit. Alright. I'm gonna go over this just like get more sparkle. It kind of looks like it has actual glitter flux in it though. I mean, it's okay. So, let's, I mean, I don't know if they are actually glitter flux, they do kind of look like it. So then I'm gonna dip into the shade PNW right here. And we're gonna put that in our outer V then. So this is like a blue shade. A very dark blue. And then we're gonna take that Betty Boop brush and we are going to blend it out. Alright, I think that tied the look together. So, I'm gonna quickly do this on the other eye then. This is a really soft, I don't know what to call it, shimmer metallic shade. Sorry, my like contacts are really out of focus, probably because I'm like rubbing my eye. Alright, perfect. Oh, I think I accidentally got some. It's okay. We'll survive. So, alright, let me take that really pretty Emerald City color. Pop that on. I love greens. Greens are my favorite. Alright, and then I'm just gonna blend that in. Alright, and then let me take this little brush, dip into PNW. Alright, and let me blend it in then. Alright, I think that actually does look together. Alright, so I am going to put some mascara and eyeliner on, and then, ooh, we're going really crazy today. We're going to use this Douce Luscious Lip Stain, and this is in the shade Ruby Rose, I think. So, let me go do that then. Alright guys, so for my eyeliner today, I use the Kat Von D, well, it's KVD Beauty, not Kat Von D, sorry guys. Tattoo liner, and this is in the shade Super Black. I love this eyeliner, what can I say? It's really good. And then this is the Benefit Roller Lash. So this was in one of my Ipsy bags. Need to start using those up. I did purchase their real mascara, so I really like this one, but I don't want to use it today. But yeah. Alright. And then let's pop this on. So this one is pretty drying, so I'm glad I did put both lip products on. Sometimes you gotta be a little careful with liquid lipsticks. Gosh. Yeah. Always be careful with red liquid lipsticks because that'll happen. Alright, good thing is we got it to go away at least. Oh, and I'm sorry, this is in the shade Ruby Red. I think I was thinking of Batwoman or something with Miss Ruby Rose. Alright guys, so this lipstick actually dries down pretty fast. So yeah, I really liked this lipstick, and then we are kind of Christmas colors today. This eyeshadow palette is beautiful. I don't want to use the black just because I feel like I'm being really extra and really dark and a little grungy today. So, well, I would say that the yellowish color is pretty beautiful too, and you can also like put that in your crease. And these colors are pretty. I think Old Growth is a little pink glow, so I gotta be careful using pinks. But, like, I think this is like more of a brown, and then this one is like a kind of dark maroon. And this gold color is so beautiful, and I really liked Evergreen. That is one of my favorite shades in this palette. And Emerald City is so pretty. Oh my gosh, I love it. Fiddlehead's okay. It's like a nice olive green. And then PNW is like a dark blue, dark teal shade. Yeah. So, I really enjoyed the At Foresight palette. And thank you guys for watching my video. I will see you guys later. Alright, bye!